If you or a loved one is suffering from bleeding gums, rotten teeth, gingivitis, bad breath, or any type of periodontal issue, then this discovery could save your life. Simply let this probiotic soft candy melt on your tongue for 20 seconds. Skeptical? 37,788 others were too, but then they saw the shocking proof for themselves. Within weeks, folks have reported pink gums, whiter teeth, fresh breath, and the pain completely gone. Introducing this revolutionary probiotic soft candy is also backed by science, with more and more prestigious universities, such as Harvard and Stanford, vouching for their amazing results. A clinically proven, powerful soft candy you can use starting today to restore teeth and gums almost overnight, regardless of age or medical condition. It works so well that the dental industry has been in absolute shock. More than 37,788 people are already using it, and they have been able to regrow their teeth and gums successfully, while also restoring the whiteness of their teeth and eliminating bad breath. Don't wait any longer to take care of your dental health. Try our soft candy today and start smiling with confidence again. I urge you to stop everything you're doing and click the link below to watch a short, free special video that shows exactly how thousands of people are taking advantage of this soft candy to talk, smile, and eat with confidence once again. Imagine no more awful metallic taste in your mouth or throbbing tooth pain. And best of all, never having to step foot in a dental office again. The billion-dollar dental industry does not want you to see this video and discover this extraordinary secret. Watch it now before it's too late. I'm not sure how long this will be available. The pharmaceutical industry is trying its best to get this video taken down in a desperate attempt to save its profits. Click the link below now and watch this short, eye-opening video before Big Pharma forces this information to be removed from the internet forever. Click the link in the bottom left or top right corner.